What is up, you guys? It's your girl Angel Sky coming back at you on special day because it is Alanna Sophia's birthday today. She is 7 today. She turned 7 as of 5/18. Little backstory on her real quick. I was super pregnant with her. I had a C-section. My first daughter, Angela, was natural. I had her natural, no medications, nothing, pushed her out, good, whatever. Anthony came, little bit of complications with him, so I ended up having a C-section. So with Alanna, I was really pushing to have her natural because I wanted to have another natural childbirth. But I actually got really sick with her, and I went into the hospital thinking they were just gonna give me some antibiotics and send me on my way. But I ended up having the baby that night. So Alanna was due September 17th, but she was born on August 31st. So I have 2 babies in August and 3 babies in December. So today we're going to celebrate her. I pretty much gave her the option of what she wants to do and where she wants to go. So she is still kind of going back and forth. So there's a place called Wonder Kids, and then there's Billy Bees, and then there's Beehive, and so many other places for the kids to go play and have some fun. So she hasn't quite decided where she is gonna go today. So what we're doing right now is we are getting all dressed and all ready. Ran to the store to get a Red Bull. Obviously, Mama needs a Red Bull. I need my full energy today to play with my kids, have fun with my kids. I'm going to be vlogging the whole day, as I said. So wherever we end up going and whatever we end up doing, I got you. Take you guys with me so you can see what her birthday is like. If you can see in the back, I have a lot of presents in the back for her. We got them last night. I don't remember all what we got for her. I know we got her a Build-A-Bear workshop where she can make her own Build-A-Bears. I think there's like 3 or 4 bears with the stuffing and the clothes and everything. We got her a smartwatch. She has really been asking for a smartwatch for her phone for whatever reason. So we got her the kid's smartwatch, the little VTech watch. So she got that. And a couple other things like gumball machines. Me and my husband want to run to Party City and just get a couple candies for her because she was really jealous of Ariana's candy bag. So we wanted to run to the store and get her some candies. So that's it. That's what we're going to be doing today. I'm going to be vlogging. You're going to be coming with us. You're going to help me celebrate my daughter's 7th birthday. Without further ado, let's just get straight into the festivities. So this is what they have. Banana rock candy. These little, what does it say? Sixlets? And gumballs. We already got that though. Let me see. Gumballs. Dum-dums. Little party bag. Aww. Treat box. Buttermints. Rock candy. Ooh. Like 10 of those. 10 of these. Okay, that, and then they have these dark blue ones. It's raspberry, but I don't think she'll like that. This is green apple. Man, they have a lot of stuff. I love these little scoopers. Purple. More gumballs. Well, we already got her gumballs. This is the aisle I was looking for. Let me see. So have these. Sweet tarts, airheads. Oh, this. 20 cents, 20 cents. What is this? Gummy cupcake. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fun dip. Oh, a pizza. Yeah. 3 for $1. Top Pops. These. I guess that's it. Or these swirly lollipops. That's cute. These. Oh, that's cute. Emoji Pop. Beach Bucket. Oh, Pop Rocks. That's right. Pop Rocks. And the candy soda. $1.58. Yes. Pop Rocks. 5 those. I don't know what that is. I think these are smaller though, because we got her the big machine. And I think these are small. 38 cents for sugar babies. Oh yeah, I'll get one of these. 38 cents. $1.48. They're small. Tulip Pops. Alright. Alright, I think that's it. Oh, I remember these. Candy buttons. Bracelet. Maybe I'll get her a bracelet for the birthday girl. Okay. So, got that. So let's go check out. Okay. So I got this whole bag of candy at Party City. And somehow I spent $25 on candy. I don't know how that happened. But it's like everything looks like a good deal. And then you put it all together and it ends up to be $25 for candy. Like, wait, what? So anyway, I'm gonna go home, I'm gonna get them ready, I'm gonna get them dressed, get them all together so we can head out the door. So let me hurry up and get home and I'll be right back with y'all, so stay tuned. It's your birthday, it's your birthday. Hey, where'd you go? Alanna! She's running away from me.
I'm going in short.
Let me see what I look like. Hey, I'm upside down. Why am I upside down? Let me see. I look short.
Mom, look how long I am.
I look upside down. Let me see.
So long that I can't even see.
Oh, you got super long legs. Nice. Let me see.
Like this one. Ah, I'm so
Hey, you can't even
tiny.
see.
Look at me.
Ew, my legs look so skinny. That looks crazy.
So creepy.
Those are her presents. You excited?
Who are you gonna be?
She's like, It's her special chair. Look at all those balloons underneath, though. It's a lot, right? There's another one. All right, so we gotta get her. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Alanna. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yes, 7. Yes, 7. Yeah, unicorn cake. She has to keep that. Unicorn cake. Look at all these presents, girl. Look how cute that is. Where's the camera? There you go. Well, I want to get the wax on your hands. All right. You little gremlins.
All right. Well, we can cut the cake, but you want to open some
You want to do the
gifts?
presents first, and then we'll do the cake? All right. Hey, it's your birthday. You do whatever you want. Okay, go ahead. I don't know. Watch out, baby.
What is that thing?
No, Anthony. You have your birthday.
Some kind of cotton candy squishy stuff?
Put it down. Put it down, boy.
What is it?
What is it? Gummy pizza.
Cool.
3 gummy pizzas. I think that's slime, cotton candy. The what's it called? The fluffy, the fluff cloud slime.
Cloud slime.
Yeah, it's like the cloud
Bubble
slime.
maker.
But look.
I said it's a bubble maker.
Look, taste. You eat it. You lick
Yeah,
a
the
bubble.
bubble.
You lick it. You do the bubbles and then you lick it.
That's weird.
That's disgusting.
Remember FGTV did that?
No.
You don't remember that? Tom, come here.
What is that?
Oh, look, you can put it on your backpack. See?
Oh my gosh, this thing is so He said stop.
Ooh.
You gotta wait.
Exclusive.
This one's Minecraft Enderman.
Oh my god.
That's literally my favorite. You know how much I love the Enderman.
Minecraft guys?
They fight that. They fight this.
Nice.
Yeah, they don't like them. They don't like them.
I
They
wonder
fight each other.
why.
All right, Tom. Can
Look at-
Anthony help you open this one?
Look, it has
Anthony,
it has its
Anthony,
mouth
help you open
open
this one? You wanna
too.
help her open it? So we'll pick a piece
Right
of the
here.
side. Go
Take
ahead.
some of the paper off. Inside.
Help her open it.
It's a lot of
Rip it,
candy.
rip it, rip it.
Oh my god. We're going to the dentist.
You're going to the dentist.
Yes.
Need another checkup. Here.
I'm gonna open this little one.
This is her
The
candy.
good news is they take a bite and throw it in the trash.
Yeah, they
Open
do.
it.
Mom.
Huh?
It's soda.
Whoa.
Oh, you love those. You love eating
The little
those. I see you
soda
eating them all
things.
the time.
Hmm.
What is this?
Go ahead.
Oh, what
You
is
can
it?
help her open the big one, okay?
Oh my
Go ahead.
gosh.
Okay.
Gumballs.
Look at the size of that. You're gonna be eating gum.
Hold on.
Oh.
What is that? What is it?
Crayons.
No,
No.
Pens.
scented pens. They
Oh,
smell.
You can use
yeah.
that.
All of them smell.
No, this one.
One.
This one. Let's see what's this.
Well, you can have
What
her
is
when
it?
she opens up the big one.
What is that?
What is it?
A harmonica.
Harmonica.
Remember you guys are saying you wanted to try
my
it? Where
gosh.
you blow and it makes music?
That's what Ryan has.
Yes.
Front of her. No.
Oh, okay. It's a
Move it up.
family
Watch it.
ripping. It's a family ripping.
Oh.
What is that?
It's a stocking toy.
What is it, Mama? Let me see.
It's a stuffing maker.
It's a Build-A-Bear
You
workstation.
can make your own stuff.
You make your own Build-A-Bear.
Isn't that cool? That's super cool. We have to do that together sometime.
Hold on, there might be one more.
Oh, there might be.
There might be one more. I don't know. What is it? There might be one more. Let me see.
It's a second.
It's her birthday.
A second. A second.
Watch out, let me see.
What is it?
What?
You got the smartwatch?
Yeah.
Holy moly!
Isn't that what you wanted?
Yeah.
And now you can hook it up to your phone?
I never had one. Look at you being all
That is awesome. Let me see it.
Whoa.
Let me see it.
Show it up.
Kids smartwatch. That's
Look at
awesome.
you.
I want to open the gummy pizza.
Can
we play games?
Okay, so that wraps up Alanna's 7th birthday. How was it?
Great. Amazing.
It was a good birthday?
I mean pizza.
So we went to Billy B's,
Yeah.
and then we went to Chick-fil-A,
I'm taking the
and then we
Yes.
came back. We came back and we had cake and presents. So she got a bunch of presents. She had a unicorn cake, and now we are going to there. So she wants to sit down and do this. So that's what we're about to do right now. Her older sister is gonna help us. But that wraps up this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a great big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and come be a part of our family. Come be a part of our journey with us. We reached over 1K for Alanna's birthday. So that's it. That wraps it up, you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All your love and support. We appreciate you, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye, guys.